That's me!
Captain's log, we are attempting to refuel our spaceship at the local space gas station. But, as usual, I forgot the passcode to my doggy debit card. Luckily, I left myself a clue. Kevin, put my clue up on the screen.
Hey.
Carl. Yeah, hey, Carl. Can you wash that later, please? Thank you.
Captain, there's no way you can solve for two variables like that.
Oh, fiddle faddle. It's easy. This is called a system of equations. And in a system of equations, x will equal the same value in both equations, and y will also equal the same value in both equations. One of the ways we can solve for both variables is with replacement.
Hey.
That's right, Kevin. Notice how we can change the second line of our system of equations from y minus x equals 4 to y equals x plus 4. Now we know what y equals in terms of x, and now we can have this system of equations.
How does that help?
We can now replace the y in our top equation with x plus 4. And now we can use the top equation to solve for x. Now that we know that x equals 2, we can put 2 back into one of our original equations to solve for y. So now we know that x equals 2 and y equals 6. You can even plug those answers back into your original system of equations to prove that they work. Try this one on your own. You can pause the video while you work. Notice that we can change the first equation to y equals x plus 1, so we know what y equals in terms of x. We can now replace y in the second equation with x plus 1. And now use the new second equation to solve for x. Now that we know that x equals 4, we can use the first equation in our system of equations to solve for y. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
That's me!
Hey everybody, it's me again, Jackson the Space Dog. Don't forget that if you like this video, please hit that like button, please hit that bell notification button, please hit that subscribe button, and please tell all your friends about it. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye-bye now.